Look guys, here just drop off of the tree, sir. This garden is fruitful. Look. Can hear the wasp, the bees in the trees. Last night I had a dream that I was picking melon. And guys, let me show you something. My sister tell me something could have picked pumpkin off our field. And look, 2 pumpkin around here, so I'm a dream about 2 melon last night. So I must the pumpkin them me a dream about. Look. Punkalongs and punkalongs. Okay. That green banana, may go come cook it later. You see him? May go pick him. Alright guys, let me show you. We are come around here, so we go walk around here, so look, she have another section around here, so she have our other plants. She's doing so well. I'm gonna leave our info in the description box below, and then you guys can